One of the myths about divorce with cheating is that it's going to impact your asset division. Cheating does not have an impact on equitable distribution, meaning this division of assets and liabilities. The only time it comes into play is if we have dissipation, which means that one of the parties has expended marital money on an extramarital affair, the cheating affair. In that instance, there might be a set-off for the money that was spent on the other affair, but it's not going to, other than that amount of specific money, it's not going to dramatically affect the equitable distribution of the assets and liabilities. One of the questions I hear often is, if my spouse cheated on me, does that mean I can get more custody or time with my children? The answer is no. Cheating does not have an impact on the judge's determination of time sharing and overnights for the children. It doesn't come into play. The only time it might come into play is if you're still seeing a person and that person is unfit, for instance, on drugs, or has some other issue that makes it unsafe for the children to be around. That might be a consideration, but for the most part, whether you cheated will not have an impact on time sharing arrangements. Oftentimes I get a question, if my spouse cheated on me, can I get more spousal support or alimony because of that? The answer is no. It doesn't come into play as one of the factors that the court would determine in order to give you an award of spousal support. The factors that impact spousal support have to do with the duration of your marriage, how old you are, the likelihood of you being employed and making money in the future, or your earning capacity currently. We also take a look at the receiving spouse's need. Again, none of those things have anything to do with whether someone cheated or not. My spouse cheated. Am I going to get more child support because of that? The answer is no. Child support is calculated on a formula that takes into consideration the number of overnights that children spend with the parent and how much income the parties have. It has nothing to do with whether someone cheated or how much, for instance, the new paramour is making. None of those go into consideration when the court awards child support. If you have any further questions about cheating and how it might impact a divorce matter, please contact us at Johnson Ritchie Family and we'd be happy to have a conversation.